Hi guys! Today I'm gonna make pasta cacio e pepe, which is a very simple dish, but it's so amazing. All you need is pasta, black pepper, and then some pecorino romano. What you need to do is just like grate the pecorino, you have your black pepper there, and then you put the pasta. What I would recommend is to put a little bit more water in your pasta pan, just because we will need that water to mix up the pecorino. What we're gonna do is I'm gonna put the pasta in the water and start cooking, and then once after like a couple of minutes you get like the amide of the pasta, and that is perfect because it makes the any kind of sauce much more creamier as well. So then what we're gonna do is we're gonna put a couple of spoons of the boiling water into the pecorino, grated pecorino, and we will create a sort of like pecorino paste. And then what else we have to do? We need to cook the black pepper in a pan. I'm gonna show you step by step. So I've just put some black pepper in a pan, and now I'm just gonna let it like toast a little bit. You really put as much black pepper as you like, really. There's not really a specified quantity, so let's let this toast for a little bit. Okay, so my pasta is boiling now. I have put some of my pecorino in a pan, in a like a bowl like this, and then what I'm gonna do now is just add some hot water in there. Three, 4 spoons. Two. So obviously the recipe that I'm gonna give you is it's got more quantities, but just because I'm eating it on my own, then there's no need for 300 grams of pecorino pasta and so on. So I'm just doing like 100 grams of pasta for now. I'm just gonna mix this all together. The black pepper has been toasting for a while, so what I'm gonna do, again, we're gonna use the same boiling water. Oh yes, that's into it. There we go. And then we keep like cooking. Apparently the little bubbles that created is just because of the amide of the pasta. So you can see we're just gonna let it cook for now. Okay, so I've created a nice cream for my pecorino, and I've made sure that there were not little cheese bubbles. And then now I've rinsed the water of the pasta, so my pasta is ready. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my, there you go, so I've got my black pepper here, I'm gonna add the pasta here, and I'm just gonna mix it up all together for now. Here we go. And now I'm gonna add my and I'm just gonna let it cook for a minute or so. So the cheese is gonna get a bit like more creamy and stick on to the pasta really. Pasta is ready. I'm just gonna add some pecorino on the top, and I'm ready for this speciality. hope you enjoy it. Buon appetito!